What's up, YouTube? So today we're doing an unboxing of the Auto Gear hand rivet gun. So this is a rivet gun, and it uses rivets. These are rivets. So you use this mostly if you want to permanently join stuff like flat things. I don't know if you can use it on other stuff, but I know you can use it for flat things. So this is the gun. I will make a video on how to use this gun, but today we unboxing it. It seems like it's just the gun inside. The back tells us that you have to drill a hole to size of the rivet, so we need to drill a hole to size of the rivet, and then you plug in the rivet and then clamp the grip until the rivet head snaps. So you're gonna keep clamping it until the rivet what they say here, the rivet head. So I take it, there's a rivet head there until that snaps, and then invert rivet gun and drop stem. Okay, so after the head breaks off, I take it the long stem is still in the gun, so you just turn the gun the opposite way and then it will just fall off. So that's what it says there at the back. Auto Gear HR1. I do not know what is that, but yeah, that's that, guys. Let's see what it looks like and what we have in here. And here's a rivet gun. Okay, with it, okay, here you can unhook it, you hook it there so that you can store it nicely. Then this thing jumps off, sorry about that. So here it is, open, and then it has a screw here, or a ratchet type of thing. I guess it's for these guys. This is where the stem goes in. So this is the different sizes to the stem. Let's just open this guy so that you can see. Let's see if we can first open in this mirror. Yes, it can. Okay, so here's the rivet head and here's the stem. Rivet head, stem. So I take it you put in the rivet head like so, or the rivet stem like so into the gun. I don't know if maybe it's too size, but this one is not fitting. Maybe I must use this size. So basically then, using the ratchet, I will untie this, got it, and tie that there, and this guy we tie him into the gun. And you tighten it. There we go. Just put the ratchet back where it comes from. There we go. Then let's see if this rivet now gets in. There we go. But basically, guys, that's that. This is a rivet gun. It comes inside. You get the gun, you get the ratchet, you get the different sizes that takes the stem, And that's that, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are feeling blessed, having good times of life. If the hard times are there, they will pass. Stick on it, keep going, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.